dinner. I'm gonna try something new. It requires Bannock mix, tomato paste, pepperoni, sun-dried tomatoes, mixed dried vegetables, spices, and Parmesan cheese. And maybe if you haven't guessed, I'm gonna try to make a Bannock pizza. Alright, this will be the crust of the pizza. I'm just kind of rolling it now. Still sticky, but we'll just kind of make little personal pizzas. Maybe I need more flour. Let's roll it in the flour a little more. There we go. Flatten it out. Oh, this gets messy. Okay, I get a little bit of the sticky Bannock dough and then I roll it around in the flour so that it's not quite so sticky. And then I can flour it out, or flatten it out into a little tortilla. And now I'm going to stick it in a well-oiled pan. As you can see, I just used olive oil. And I'm going to put it over the fire. And now I've put the crust on to fry to brown on one side, and then I'll flip it, add the sauce and the ingredients on the other side, and then cook it again for a little while and we'll have our pizza. Okay, for the sauce I just used a bit of tomato paste. I used basil, oregano, and a little garlic powder in there. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water to thin it out a bit. This is going to be tough from this big pan, but we'll see what we can do. Alright, that should do it. Well, maybe I'll thin it even a little more. Try that. And you know, this is all experimental. You can do it the way you like it. Okay. Alright, let's try a flip. There we go, it's just about perfect. Looks like a little pancake. And I'll flatten it out some more. And add the sauce. Cut. Here's the sauce going on. There we go. Some Parmesan cheese.
That's already starting to look like a pizza.
Yep. Let's open the pepperoni. And once this is opened, that's it. You got to eat it. I'm sure Nathan will be happy about that. Now we've got some pepperoni on there. So that might be too much. We'll see. We're experimenting. Let's put some dried veggies. And stick it back onto the fire and cook it the rest of the way. Okay, here's the finished version. It's a little messy. It's fallen apart a little bit, but the cheese is melted. And the pepperoni is cooked. Let's give it a try. I just dropped a piece. Not bad. Very messy, but very good. And that's it.